Assalamu alaikum dear participants, I am Sumbal Daniel. In our last lecture we saw the strategies, teaching strategies, and today we are going to have an orientation about the problem solving approach. So let's have a look on this topic. The SLOs of this lesson involve, the student learning outcomes, that the students will use the critical thinking for problem solving. Moreover, they will be able to use this concept into their daily life. In this picture, you can see a problem solving loop. So there are 5 steps in this picture: identifying the problem, getting the different ideas, selecting the best idea, implementing the idea and testing it, and at the end we have the final step number 5, which is evaluation. So let's move on to the real life example. Now here I have a wire. This is 24 centimeter long और प्रॉब्लम हमारे पास ये है that with the same perimeter we have to figure out कितने different sizes के rectangles या square बन सकते हैं, and we have to figure it out कि which one of these shapes has the biggest area. So see this demonstration with me. Now you can see that perimeter is the same, which is 24 centimeter or meter. You can take any of the unit for that. We can make a square with this wire. This is a rough sketch of the square. With the same perimeter, we can draw a rectangle. Now we can draw a rectangle of any area. The main problem is that we have to find the shape which has the biggest area. As you can see in this picture कि इसमें different sizes के rectangles हैं, एक square भी नज़र आ रहा है, और हमारा प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हम लोगों ने इसमें से बिगेस्ट एरिया वाला रेक्टेंगल या स्क्वायर फाइंड आउट करना है. तो ये हमारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग अप्रोच का फर्स्ट स्टेप है कि हमने प्रॉब्लम को आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया है. नाउ द सेकंड स्टेप इज़ टू फिगर आउट द आइडियाज़ टू सॉल्व इट. उसके लिए आपके पास प्रीवियस नॉलेज होना ज़रूरी है. सो द स्टूडेंट शुड नो दैट व्हाट इज़ अ स्क्वायर एंड व्हाट इज़ अ रेक्टेंगल. Now square is a shape which has 4 equal sides, all of the angles are of 90 degrees and the opposite sides are parallel. About the rectangle, rectangle may be the opposite sides are equal and parallel, and moreover all of the angles are of 90 degree, that is right angle. Now moving on to the third step. Second step में हम लोगों ने different sizes के squares और rectangles बना लिए, और थर्ड स्टेप में हम अपना बेस्ट आइडिया फाइंड करेंगे दैट वी कैन इम्प्लीमेंट. नाउ देर आर डिफरेंट स्ट्रैटेजीज़ दैट वी कैन अडॉप्ट कि हम लोग या तो सारे के सारे रेक्टेंगल्स का एरिया फाइंड करें और फिर हम देखें कि इसमें से बिगेस्ट एरिया कौन सा है. ऑन द अदर हैंड वी कैन डू दिस कि जो विजिबली लेसर एरिया वाले रेक्टेंगल्स हैं उसको हम रूल आउट कर दें और सिर्फ बिगेस्ट एरिया वाले रेक्टेंगल को हम ले लें. So this is the best idea that we have taken, that we will compare only the area of the visibly bigger rectangle or square. अब हम चलते हैं अपने फोर्थ पॉइंट की तरफ, जो कि है टू टेस्ट और बिल्ड द प्लान. जो हम लोगों ने अपने प्लान को बिल्ड कर लिया हुआ है, we will test it and we will implement it. So let's have a group activity for that. Dear participants, here you have a grid. And I give you a homework that you will make the squares and rectangles of different sizes using a perimeter of 24 meter. Have you made?
Yes.
Please show me your rectangle or square. Okay. So these are total 6 shapes. I also have one of them. So can you tell me who one has the rectangle with the smallest area?
Yes.
What is the area of your rectangle?
1 multiply 11.
So it has breadth of 1 meter and length of 11 centimeter. Okay. So please put it here so that we can know that how much area does it cover. Now, Mr. Mehtab, would you please tell me that if we put all of these rectangles over there, will this space be sufficient for us? क्या ये कम तो नहीं हो जाएगी हमारे लिए?
No, ma'am. We can.
Yes, we can do it.
Yes.
But Mr. Imran, would you please tell me कि अगर हम लोग सारे रेक्टेंगल्स को यहाँ पर ना लगाएं,
Yes.
तो क्या ये पॉसिबल है कि हम सिर्फ 2 रेक्टेंगल्स को कंपेयर करें?
इसमें फिर भी कन्फ्यूजन रहेगी जब तक हम मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल जो हमारी वैल्यूज़ हैं उनका कंपैरिजन करके ही हम फाइनलाइज कर सकते हैं कि इसमें मिनिमम एरिया वाली कौन सी रेक्टेंगल है, मैक्सिमम कौन सी है और इनके मिड में कौन सी आ रही है.
Okay, so when we are doing this activity in the form of a group, we saw that the students came to the conclusion that we have to find area of all the rectangles. So one by one, all of you will place your rectangles on it. Please pass on the grid. And here I have the last rectangle, so I place it over there. Now we can easily find the area of these rectangles like this. We will count the
No, we can.
Now all of the rectangles are here on this grid and we have to find the area. So we will just count the boxes and multiply them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is written over here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is written over here. So 7 multiplied by 5 is, now you can see that we have found the areas of all the rectangles. So we have the biggest area, 36 centimeter square. So this square occupies the maximum area. In this concept, we learned that with the same perimeter we can have different areas. तो ये हमारा स्टेप नंबर 4 था जिसमें हमने अपने प्लान को इम्प्लीमेंट कर दिया, और स्टेप नंबर 5 है अपने इस आइडिया को इवैल्यूएट करना. So evaluation of this idea includes that the square has the biggest area, although the perimeter of all the shapes are same. So in this way we can implement the problem solving approach using 5 points. Thank you.